Okay, I've got a bunch of the shelves up here in the trailer. This is the new trailer, not the other three trailers. This one's 52 foot, and I'm filling it up with parts that I've already listed. Parts that I've already listed in the barn garage to make room in the barn garage, and parts that I'm listing now. So there's some of the engine parts from the engine teardowns. Boxes full of the small parts that came from the engines. And this is just one type of transmission, the 4T60Es and 4T65Es. A few exhaust manifolds down here. It's not much of a start, but it's a start. Here's the next wheelbarrow load that I did today. I'm going to be doing a wheelbarrow load, at least a wheelbarrow load every day in between making videos and editing. These are mostly 1997 Mustang GT parts that I, of course, inspected first before I went through the trouble of pressure washing and cleaning and then re-inspecting, photographing and videoing for the eBay and the Facebook marketplace. And these are mostly rebuild kits. All of these are listed. All of these are already photographed and listed, but I've still yet to do those in those boxes and these in this section right here. Not listed these either. And there's this trailer full I've got to go through and photograph and list all those, and this trailer as well. Since most of those exhaust manifolds are Mustang too, I just went ahead and put the Mustang intake and valve cover and fuel rail and all with them, and the Prius stuff with the Prius stuff. All this is Prius engine stuff. And here comes Tigger. He wants to know what's going on, if we're making any progress. Tigger the supervisor. Yeah, what's happening, Tigger? Come check it out, see how far I got. So all the stuff on these shelves has been listed, and you can see I've got one empty. That's the one we saw in the trailer, and I've got to empty these off and put them in the trailer, and all these off and put them in the trailer. And that should leave more room for me to get back to restoring these cars, the Corvettes and the Jaguar and everything. The Jaguar's pretty much finished, but there were some problems with the paint. I've got to go repaint the hood again. And these parts are not listed yet, but that's why I've got this table set up here and I'm going through them, photographing and listing them, putting them on eBay and everything. Some of them I've already got labeled and ready to photograph and go on there. What do you think, Tigger? I've also got all these cases that are almost stripped all the way down, ready to be listed. And some stacks of them over here. And then some of these M50D that haven't been tore down at all. And more than tore down TH350 that I haven't listed yet. Some more 700R4, 4L60E, and a TH350 that hadn't been tore down at all yet. Unfortunately, this nice Chevrolet Bellhausen 350 case is busted. Look at that. Man, isn't that heartbreaking? Non-lockup Chevrolet 350, and it's got to be busted. Now this is a multi-case, and it'll fit both BPOs and Chevrolets, which is nice, but it's lockup, so it's not quite as valuable as it would have been if it was non-lockup. But it's probably got the desirable bearing type planetaries in it, which would be good. Normally that stuff would go on this shelf right here, but I'm moving this shelf to the trailer so I can use this shelf for either the Corvette behind me or the Corvette over here when I get to it. But I've got another Mustang that I can do before I start on that Corvette. And it looks like Tigger's already claimed it. Is that your Mustang now, Tigger? Oh, yeah, I know. I'm gonna fix it so you can drive it. I know, buddy, but I've got so much to do. Okay, he's mad at me now because I won't fix the Mustang for him right away. All right, I guess I better get to work. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.